How to verify work email on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can verify work email on LinkedIn. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to linkedin.com and make sure that you're logged in. Navigate to your profile at the top section and here go to settings and privacy. Under here, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, head towards sign in and security. And here go to the email address at the top. And here it says if you have a verification example, that may be your verified work email, you can manage it under your verification. So click on verification if you have already added. But if you have not verified your work email yet, click on this link that says learn more about verification. That's gonna take you to a different page. Now to verify your work email, there's an option to verify now. Before you verify, make sure you go through all of this information here. Once you're done, click on verify now button. Now you can verify your email with Persona, where you have to add your Persona provides identity verification services for LinkedIn. You will need to provide your valid NFC enabled government ID. LinkedIn may display the Asian country of your ID on your profile and also the name on the government or on your government ID will need to match your LinkedIn profile. So make sure you have all of this document ready. Once you're done with that, you can verify. And once the verification is complete, then your work email will also be verified completely. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.